everybody, this is Amit Kumar and you're watching Prince Tech Solutions. Welcome back again to Tableau tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create top N analysis in Tableau. Now let us understand what is top N analysis. This is an analysis of finding top 10, top 20 or certain numbers of top listed data out of a huge series of data. For example, I do have list of orders, their quantity and price. This is my Tableau desktop and you can see I have created a very small report where I have a lot of orders, around 6,571 orders, and I want to see top 10 price orders whose price is bigger and subsequently smaller towards 10 numbers of orders. In other way, if I'll say like I want to see the top 10 customers or top 10 orders whose price is bigger in list, okay? Or dynamically I can also make it change from 10, top 10, top 20, top 30, top 50. I can do like that. How it could be possible? It can be possible by creating parameter. Okay, so first of all, let us make a static top analysis. Here I have list of orders. It has been sorted from smaller to bigger, that means in ascending order. Now there's a price. If I'll just sort this one from bigger to smaller, then in that case it should be also like this. Alright, so the data is being sorted from bigger value to the smaller value subsequently. Now these are the list of the orders. They are become opposite because the value are not with respect to the order ID. Alright. So what I want to do, I want to see top 10 orders whose price is bigger. So in that case, I just have to take this field, like I have used this unit price in this price column. I change this alias. So what I can do, I'll just add this unit price to, sorry, I'll just take this order. Okay, I just want to see the list of the orders from top to bottom, right? From top 10 orders I want to see here. So I can just add this order ID to my context filter. Okay, this filter in Tableau is called as a context filter, which will be available to the developer, but it will not be visible to the end user. Right, so here I just have to show all the orders first. I can see select from the list. Okay, all right. Now I'll go to here top. Now here I just have to define, okay, by field what I have to define, top what, top 10, let's say top 10 orders, because I have added the filtration on the order ID. So I'm going to see the list of the order IDs whose price is top 10. Okay, so the price, which is unit price, the field here I have used, this is unit price, top 10 unit price. Okay, top 10 unit price, and the aggregation is sum. Naturally this unit price should be sum of. Alright, so this is a statically I have defined, which is going to limit only top 10 orders over here. Let's see. As you can see, these are the top 10 orders. Okay, if you can see the order value which is higher is 95,000 and 94,000, 92,000, and subsequently towards the smaller value, right? So I can see list of the top 10 orders, which I can say top N analysis. I want to make it little bit of advanced, which is the objective of this video. I want to make it advanced, so I should not fix this at all, which is in top 10, order prices, top 10 orders with the highest order price. But I'll make a little bit of advance. I'll allow client or customer to select which extent they want to visualize the data. If they want to see only top 5 customers, top 5 orders, they can choose from the filter. If they want to see top 20 orders, they can also choose it. If they want to see top 30 orders, they can also choose it. But here, as for my creative right now, it has been restricted to only top 10 orders, right? So what next I can do, I have to create parameter. Parameter in Tableau is one of the beautiful feature. This indeed act like a variable. So parameter can be created as a variable which can take single value, or it can also take series of values. So I want to create a series of values here. Create parameter. In order to create the parameter, you have to click over here in the bottom left of this page. Okay, so I'm sorry. So parameter name I'll give, say PRN limit. Okay, PRN limit. All right. So the data type I should define as integer. Current value I'll define, say minimum 5 data will be listed. And here I want a range of data should be displayed. Let's say a range. Minimum value is 5. Maximum value I want top 50 to be displayed. And step size, let's say 5. Now what is minimum, maximum and step size? Minimum is the lowest value of the series which will be listed in the parameter. Maximum is the highest value always. Here 50 will be the highest value, and step means the increment of the minimum value towards the maximum value will be done like this, like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and so on till 50. It will be shown like this. Alright, so I have created the parameter name, which is I have given the prefix as PRM. Why I have given the prefix as PRM? Why can't I simply give limit? Just to ensure whatever the name I'm giving, it should not conflict with any of other fields in my table, or it should not conflict with any of the keyword of Tableau. So that's why if you are creating the name of a parameter, always give some prefix like this. Alright, so I hope this is pretty clear. Now what I can do, this parameter has been created. Now it's time to call the parameter. What I have to do is, in the filter here, I have applied the filter. I apply the filter here. So go to edit filter. What I did in this top and analysis part, I have defined top 10 unit price. Okay, orders with top 10 price, right? So instead of top 10 only, which is being hard coded over here, what I can do, Tableau has a good feature here. If you just click down to this drop down, you will see this option, create a new parameter, which is not required because we have already created this parameter limit. And then here you can see the parameter which has been created already, and I have created is a parameter limit. Now system will understand what is my current value. My current value I have chosen as 5, right? So it will start showing 5 number of orders whose unit price is from bigger to smaller. If you want to make it bottom up analysis, then you can make it bottom up analysis. So top end analysis, bottom end analysis, right? It should show the smallest 5 values. It should show, in case of top, the biggest or the largest orders whose price is from top 5 range. All right. So now make it apply and okay. Now you see instantly the list of the orders has been changed. Okay. It started showing 5 orders only. Why? Because I have applied the filter, and in the filter the parameter value was default set to 5. I just want to make it default set to 10. How I can do it? I have to again go to the parameter limit, edit this one. Here the current value I have defined as 5. Just make it as 10. Okay, this will be the current value, current selections. Okay, minimum value will be 5, maximum will be 50, step size is 5, and current value is 10. So always this report on load will be started showing 10. And as you can see, the highest value of my order is 95,000, and subsequently the data is reducing towards the small, right? Now here is a benefit what we can give to customer, that is parameter limit. You just need to add this to sheet. So parameter, if you want to make this parameter as a filter, just click on show parameter. Now this parameter is going to act as a filter. So just edit this title. I want to make it as a limit only, not PRM limit, right? So now this is become limit. So here is the time to showcase the beauty of this tableau. I just name this sheet as top end analysis. Alright, top end analysis means listing out the data or finding out the data of certain numbers in top or bottom. Okay, so here I have lot of orders, around 6,500 orders, but I can visualize top 10 orders in the list. So I want to make it top 5. So you see the data has been immediately reduced. So highest value is 95, and subsequently it has been reduced. I want to make it top 50. Immediately the data started showing me top 50 orders. You see here, beautiful, and from top to bottom it has been listed out here. All right, top value is this one, and subsequently this data has been reduced towards the small. And if I want to make it top 20, top 30, this has been reduced. Top 20, this has been reduced. Top 15, this has been reduced, and so on towards top 5. So this is one of the beautiful feature of Tableau. I hope it has been helpful to you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel to stay connected with me, and finally, thanks for watching. Bye bye.